हरे कृष्णा। कंफर्टेबल? आप तो आंध्रा से आए।
రేపు ఇవాళ ఆయనకి వస్తాను. అదే రాజేశ్వరి రాణి మా ఆయనకి వస్తాను.
हरे कृष्णा। ठीक है।
రాజేశ్వరి ఇంకోళ్ళు ఉడికిపోయారు. ఇంకో బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళు ఇవాళ నైట్ వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సి నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. రెండు నిమిషాలు అమిత మాట్లాడి కలిసి ఉంటాం. అమిత మాట్లాడి 4 ముందు కొత్త ఒక బాత్రూమ్ క్లీన్ చేయించండి కిందది. ఈమె అయిపోయింది లేబర్ ఏది అది తీసుకుంటే కింద కిచెన్ పక్క.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये।
प्रायेषु भद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
श्लोके
भगवतीरुत्तमा श्लोके
नैष्टिकी
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी।
धनुर्विस्फुरजयं दिव्यं
धनुर्विस्फुरजयन् दिव्यम्
तां खेदमुद्वहन्
द्विषतां खेदनुद्वहन्
श्रोघं व्यदमद्बाणै
अश्रोघमद्बाणे
नानीकम् इवानिलः।
घनानीकमिवानिलः।
किसी को चैंट करना है। धनुर्विश्वजयं दिव्यं
धनुर्विश्वजयं दिव्यं
खेदमुद्वहन्
द्विषतां
अश्रोघं
अश्रौघं गणानीकम् इवानिलः।
धनुर्विश्वजयं दिव्यं विशतां खेदमुद्वहन्
द्विषतां
गणानीकम् इवानिलः। धनुर is bow. Vishpurjayam twang divyam wonderful. Vishata the enemies
of the enemy.
Khedam lamentation. Udvahan creating. Astra ogham different types of weapons. Scattered with the rose of clouds. Anikam an army. Iva like Anilaha
the wind.
Guru Maharaj's bows and arrows twanged and hissed, causing lamentation in the heart of his enemies. He began to shoot incessant arrows, shattering all the different weapons, just as blasting wind scatters the assembled clouds in the sky. The sharp arrow released from the bow, Dhruva Maharaj pierced the shield and bodies of the enemy, just like a thunderbolt released by the king of heaven to dismantle the bodies of the mountains. The great sage Mehta came to my dear Vidura, the heads of those who were cut to pieces with the arrows of Dhruva Maharaj were decorated very beautifully, the earrings and turbans. The legs of the bodies are as beautiful as gold.
What is it?
And the arms are decorated with golden bracelets with armlets. And on their head, there were very valuable helmets bedecked with gold. All this ornament lying on that battlefield were very attractive and could bewilder the mind of a hero.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, Supriti Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Prabhupada ki jai. It appears that in those days, soldiers used to go to the battlefield, highly decorated with gold ornaments and with helmets and turbans. And when they were dead, the booty was taken by the enemy party. Their falling dead in battle with their many golden ornamental dresses were certainly a lucrative opportunity for the heroes on the battlefield. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you. The remaining yakshas, who somehow or other were not killed and their limbs cut to pieces with the arrows of the great warrior Dhruva Maharaj, thus they began to flee, just as elephant flees when defeated by a lion. Dhruva Maharaj, the best of the human being, observed that in the great battlefield, not one of the opposing soldiers was left standing with proper weapons. He then desired to see the city of Alakapuri, but he thought to himself, no one knows the plans of the mystic yakshas. In the meantime, Dhruva Maharaj, doubtful of his mystic enemies, was talking to his charioteer. They heard a tremendous sound, just as if the whole ocean was there. They found that from the sky, a great dust storm was coming over them from all directions. Within a moment, the whole sky was overcast with dense clouds and severe thundering was heard. There was glittering electric lightning and severe rainfall. My dear faultless Vidura, in the rainfall there were blood, mucus, pus, stool, urine, marrow falling heavily before Dhruva Maharaj. The trunks of the bodies falling from the sky. Next, a great mountain was visible in the sky, and from all directions hailstone fell, along with the lances, clubs, sword, iron, bludgeons, and great pieces of stone. Dhruva Maharaj also saw many big serpents with angry eyes vomiting forth fire and coming to devour him, along groups of mad elephants, lions, and tigers. As if there were a time for the dissolution of the whole world, the fierce sea was foaming with foaming waves, and great roaring sounds came before him. The demon yakshas are by nature very heinous, and by their demonic power and illusion, they can create many strange phenomena to frighten one who is less intelligent. When the great sages heard that Dhruva Maharaj was overpowered by the illusory mystic tricks of the demons, they immediately assembled to offer him auspicious encouragement. Beautiful shloka. Munaya uchuhu autanapada bhagavam tava sarangan
Uttanapada Bhagavam Stavsharanga
Devahashito na avanartarti haro vipakshan
Devachino Tava Vanatarito Haro Vipakshan
Annamadeyam vidhaya nishamya chadha
Yannamadheyam Abhidaya Nishamya Chada
Vanjasatarati dustaram angamritum.
Loko Anjasatarati Dushtaram Angamrityum.
All the sages said, Dear Dhruva, O King of Uttanapada, may the Supreme Personality Godhead known as Sarang Dhanva, who relieves the distress of the devotees, kill all the threatening enemies. The holy name of the Lord is as powerful as the Lord himself. Therefore, simply by chanting and hearing the holy name of the Lord, many men can be fully protected from fierce death without difficulty. Thus the devotee is saved. Yes, Supriti Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport. The great rishis approached Dhruva Maharaj at a time when his mind was very perplexed due to the magical feats exhibited by the yakshas. A devotee is always protected by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. By his inspiration only, the sages came to encourage Dhruva Maharaj and assure him that there was no danger because he was a soul fully surrendered unto the Supreme Lord. By the grace of the Lord, if a devotee at the time of death can simply chant his holy name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Simply by chanting this Mahamantra, he immediately surpasses the great ocean of the material sky and enters the spiritual sky. He never has to come back for repetition of birth and death. Simply by chanting the holy name of the Lord, one can surpass the ocean of death. So Dhruva Maharaj was certainly able to surpass the illusory magical feats of the yakshas, which for the time being disturbed his mind. Thus, in the Bhakti Vedanta purports of the 4th canto, 10th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam entitled Dhruva Maharaja's Fight with the Yakshas. Hare Krishna.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitvam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Munaya Uchuhu Autanapada Bhagavam Tavasarang Dhanva Devashinotu Avanatarti Haro Vipakshan Yannamandeyam Avidhaya Nishamya Chadha Panjasatarati Dustaram Angam Rityum. Okay, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Pranam Prabhuji.
Audio is clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Thank you, everybody. So there are various things to discuss here. Number one is the yakshas again. We see the yakshas have power. The power is not always good. It can be misused. Just like we see today, everybody has a lot of facilities. What does the science and technology give us in our hands? Some power. Like in America, there is gun violence. The country allows everybody to buy a gun. It's not very difficult. But then the whole country discusses gun violence. And why? People misuse the gun. A child is there, is upset, the teacher scolded him in the class, takes a gun and shoots everybody, including the teacher. Small child. From the house, they somehow get father's gun, go and it's in a year, they have unimaginable, they call gun violence where the more than say 5-6 people are killed, hundreds of such cases every year. So they are talking how to remove gun violence, what we should do, any good-hearted person will think, how innocent people get killed in this way. Sometimes in a mall, sometimes so many places, correct? So what is wrong? Gun is wrong, not wrong. The problem is that the person holding the gun. So people think we'll bring some laws, by these laws what will happen is that, the misuse will reduce. But the root cause has to be addressed. Okay? Shri Radha Govinda ki, Shri Gauranitai ki. But the root cause has to be addressed. Now, if you're not going to address the root cause, which is the Rajoguna, Tamoguna of the people, then if not gun, a new thing has started, knife now. It happened in Japan, it happened in China. Somebody takes a knife, and it happened in England also, just stabs 20 people. Just crazy. He doesn't know them. Simply go to the railway station, and out of the 20 people, 5 people died. So he's not going to stop. He's not done. So okay, how are you going to stop the knives? It is needed in the kitchen. Okay, you stop knife also. Then people will throw stones, arrows. You cannot stop the problem. You have to stop the problem from the root. Now here the Yaksha, they did a mischief. They killed his brother. Take care. Now there is no mention in the Bhagavatam what he did. But whatever it is, they killed his brother. Now here a powerful Kshatriya has come, but Yakshas have power and sometimes they are notorious. They have power. In a Yaksha there is a mention in the Bhagavatam where he made the 4 Pandavas lie down almost dead. That is the time we discuss in the Bhagavatam. And then Yudhishthira Maharaj answered the question of the Yaksha. They are powerful. Just like Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka. Bhuvarloka are all these ghosts, Yakshas, Pishachas, ghosts. These are all more powerful than Manavas. Sometimes you see the ghost will haunt a human being, correct? Or he's more powerful. How can he do that? How can he control somebody when you are less powerful? He's more powerful. But then it can be misused. Okay? So this is the first principle we can understand. And I was hearing a nice story. So what happened once Indra saw, Indra is always worried. Because more you accumulate punya, by punya actually you get in this world position. And by papa you lose the position. Correct? What is the actual currency is punya and papa. So then what happened? When somebody is doing tapasya, it's accumulating punya. You understand? Real currency is not money. Real currency is punya. So he's accumulating a lot of punya and Indra is worried if he gets enough punya, he can take my seat. So then what he does? Every time he does different tricks. Tricks we know of, Menaka, other tricks you know. This time interesting, he comes there as the dress of a king and he says, I have to go urgently somewhere, for my nature call and all. Can you hold my sword? So he gives him a sword and he goes. Now that's the sadhu is doing tapasya, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare, sword is there in the hand, Hare Krishna, Hare. He said, take care, because he has to give him. King will come, Hare Krishna. And once what happens, sword is there in the hand, he sees some mischief and he does it. Then he cut Papa and do this challenge to Indra's seat. He doesn't make a mistake, so very dangerous. He kept a sword in his hand, powerful sword, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Kya kar raha hai? And he hit. Oh, so this just an example is given. It trick worked. So you give power in the hand of the person, he'll misuse it and lose his spiritual life. So, we are very humble as such. But then we have tendencies. We are not coming, just like what is called khatmal. Khatmal is very thin sometimes, but then it becomes fat. Correct? So we should be careful. Oh, I just want to serve Krishna, that's okay. But in the service to Krishna and the society, there will be position, there will be authority. We should never misuse that. We should not become proud of that. Correct? That example is there, no? So many examples are there to understand. So, okay, this power thing is understood. That's what the Yakshas are doing. They're trying all illusory. They can't fight with him, Dhruva Maharaj. He has been blessed by the Lord to rule the world for 36,000 years. Nobody can fight. It's a waste of time to fight. When Yaksha, when Dhruva Maharaj should come, they should have just apologized. Sorry, this happened, he did like that, this all happened. But they were trying all black magic. First they fought, they could not fight. Correct? Now, normal warfare, you cannot do all these things. But they started doing all black magic tricks. They suddenly produce an ocean there. Suddenly, in so many wars, we hear all this thing. Even Ravana used this kind of tricks. Even Mahabharata, they are mentioned where some Bhima's son also came with this illusory tricks. And he had to be killed with a Shakti weapon by Karna. So all these illusory tricks started, and then it looked apparently as if Dhruva Maharaj has been bewildered by it. So what happens now? the sages. You see, because he's a great devotee of the Lord, everybody is affectionate and well-wisher. Everybody is affectionate. We saw the Gandharvas, previously what happened? Do not worry. Here we see the sages. They are coming, We saw when he was covered in the beginning, when he came, he was covered with the arrows. The Gandharvas said, alas, what happened? What happened? Everybody is watching. He has a well-wish of the whole universe because he's a devotee. So here what happens? We see very interestingly, the yakshas, the sages come to show sympathy and guide him. Very interesting, there's so many wars, sages also go in and out. Even in Mahabharata, you have sages going in and out. True? When Ashwatthama threw that Brahmastra, we had the sages, Vedavyasa, trying to stop that weapon. Correct? They're coming in and out. They also, but nobody touches them. And the sages come and they talk to Dhruva. And what do they say? Power of the holy name, the glories of the holy name. Chant the holy name of the Lord, you can overcome all the obstacles in your life, including the black magic. Bhagavad Gita also, Krishna says, if you take my shelter, Arjuna, you will cross all the obstacles of your life. But do not do that, then you will fall down in this world. So here the similar statement has been given, so today we get an opportunity to talk about the glories of the holy name. Abhinattam nama namena, this is the first glory. There is no difference between chanting the holy name of the Lord and the holy name. Correct? Now you have all come, many of you come from your hometowns there. Now you remember your friend there. Now if you chant his name, you think the friend will appear? There is a difference between the name and the person. True? Famous example, say mango. You say mango, mango, mango will not appear. But there is no difference between the holy name and the Lord. That's the first thing, because it is spiritual. Abhinatvam nama namina. No difference with name and the Lord. The first most important glory. The second important glory is that the holy name is the holy name, Bhagavatam, the same thing. Bhagavatam is also glorification of the Lord. Holy name is also the Lord himself. And it is said that when the Kali Yuga, the darkness of Kali Yuga starts, when the sun sets, when the sun of Lord Krishna disappeared from the world, sets, then Bhagavatam rises like the moon. This night it happens sometime. When the sun sets, you don't know what is east and west after that. Okay? After sun sets, you can't really tell what is east, what is west, you can't tell. But still, the sun sets. Sometimes have you seen, the night sun is setting, suddenly the moon rises. The Bhagavatam is compared to the moon, Arka, which is rising. And generally the light of the moon is less than that of the sun. But Bhagavatam, the light is as much as that of the sun. Another interesting thing is that sun's light can be little hot, but moonshine is very pleasing. So Bhagavatam is an incarnation of the Lord in Kali Yuga to guide us. That is the Bhagavatam. The sixth question asked in the first chapter. What is going to be? So in Kali Yuga, Kali Kale Nam Avatara, that is the incarnation of the Lord. True, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the incarnation of the Kali Yuga, but not, it's a confidential information. That we don't give it everybody. Go meet a person, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he cannot understand. But what did Prabhupada do when he started in America? Did he say, this Lord Chaitanya, you look at it? No, he didn't do that. What he gave first? The holy name. Correct? He started chanting the holy name. And just as when people saw Lord Krishna, they saw wonderful activities of Krishna, they saw the wonderful pastimes of Krishna, they were totally enchanted. Similarly, Srila Prabhupada also, by chanting the holy name of the Lord, he enchanted the whole world. The famous example is the Pied Piper. And you heard about Pied Piper in France, some country. There was one person, and he, by blowing the flute, could attract everybody. Famous example. Same way, Srila Prabhupada also, by chanting, look at the confidence he has. We will not do that. In fact, we don't have faith in that process. We are just following the orders of Prabhupada. But we don't have that level of faith. Prabhupada says that in the cargo ship. He says that actually, I'm not a devotee, I have no devotion. I don't even have any knowledge. But I have firm faith in the holy name of the Lord. He knew this will do the whole work. And when he went to America, the biggest thing which works on the matchless gift we discussed yesterday, or in the park, was chanting of the holy name. Prabhupada would sit and chant for hours. In fact, Srila Prabhupada used to say it is very, very easy to begin this Hare Krishna movement. Go anywhere, just chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Correct? In fact, that worked all around the world very significantly. Then why did Prabhupada not do this in India? The question will come. Sit in a park and do. He could have done it in India also. No? India, this process has been misused for money making. In fact, it happened in proper time when he came back to India. The devotees in the same way went to the street doing Harinam. And Prabhupada came to know people are giving 5 repeat and Prabhupada stopped it. They're treating you like beggars. This is not going to work. Correct? So somebody comes outside a house and he's chanting holy name. If you have no respect for him, you think he's a beggar. है ना, भूख लगी है तो कीर्तन कर रहे हैं ना घर के बाहर, एक तबला लेके एक आदमी हारमोनियम पकड़ के गड़ 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 करते हैं और हम लोग कीर्तन सुन के 5 रुपये देते हैं, चले जाओ मतलब. So this is not going to work. So therefore Prabhupada says stop this kind of way. In India, so Prabhupada said go, meet people, start life membership. Prabhupada in India did that. He did not push the street Sankirtan in India. He rather stopped it. The people who are not studied will not know. You have to study Leelamrita, study proper letters, then you will not know. But in a proper atmosphere of a temple, we do Harinam, then it is okay. Okay. Just like if you give a book to somebody who doesn't respect it, he will just throw it away. Correct? So what is the use? So similarly, more efficient use in India is that if you do public Harinam, properly organize it. At least 20-30 people should be there, properly organized. And previous incidents when he did holy name, yeah, people came outside the house, gave 5 rupees, 10 rupees. That's all happened. They thought we used to carry hundi. It becomes just like begging, beggars. Properly organized. 20-30 people have a nice banner of ISKCON, symbols of Vaishnavas, and then do the Harinam Sankirtan. You know, when we have the festivals and devotees are joining us, that time we have the enough strength. Or on Sundays, we can plan, and that will be nice. Anyway, so power of the holy name is very important. That's why you're building the temple. The people can sit down in the temple and together participate in the Nam Sankirtana, hear the Nam Sankirtana. And by that shelter of the holy name, a life will change. So holy name very glorious. Another glory of the holy name is that now for any other process, say, what do the people do to get purified? Once in 6 months, on an average, we go for Tirth Yatra. And the families, we get bored with the routine work. Take a break. Nowadays, the youngsters go for picnic, but religious people go for Tirth Yatra. Chalo Ayodhya chalte hain, chalo Mathura chalte hain, chalo Tirupati chalte hain. होता ना 6 महीने तो एक बार एक ट्रिप मारते हैं सब लोग. और 4-5 दिन 6. So my request is therefore, because for holy name, you can just sit in the house. You don't have to go anywhere. अरे तो खर्चा होता है, पैसा बर्बाद होता है ना? And it's said in the Kali Yuga, interesting prediction is that the holy place means which is far away. बोला पीठ दब के, नींद निकाल के, पूरा शरीर में दर्द करके, इधर खाना भी डिस्टर्ब, रहना भी डिस्टर्ब, तब तीर्थ हुआ. जैसे प्रभुपाद जी हंसते हैं, बंगाल में भी गंगा है, तो वहाँ नहा लो ना. नहीं, वो हरिद्वार जाके नहाएंगे. अरे गंगा तो वही है ना. वो तीर्थ का मतलब थोड़ा ट्रैवल करने का, सिर मारने का, पीठ दर्द होने का, वो तीर्थ होता है. So it is easy, the holy name, just sitting in your place, sthane sita, sitting in your place, not you have to do any gymnastics. You don't have to leave your home, you don't have to leave your family, you don't have to do anything. Holy name, you can just sit and chant, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Correct? It's so easy, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. See, it is so important, proper writes the whole mantra in the purport. He is writing the whole mantra. It takes energy to type, no? You could have said Hare Krishna mantra. There are some purports, and it twice he writes the Maha mantra. because it's so important. Yesterday I went to somebody, he has a place in a college where he teaches students culture, a room, bhajans and all. I said, I'll give you the mark. He said, please give me. Full print you give me, I'll put it here, and we will also sometimes chant Hare Krishna mantra. Yes. Actually, we should make people know. The people come to temple also, we good the deities and everything, but some place a Mahamantra should be there that they can read. People do not know the value, they should read. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. When you go also doing Nama Sankirtana, we should have the, with the bamboo pole, nicely made. The Mahamantra, in a silk cloth we can do nicely. People do it temples. You can see the Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama. So this Mahamantra, the glory is that you don't have to do anything. You don't have to go anywhere. Just sit and chant. Very easy. Very easy. And then another glory to the holy name, the Mahamantra is that it is said chanting 1,000 names of Vishnu is equal to one name of Rama. Correct? Sahasranam karte na. You say Ram, ho gaya. Everybody knows the shloka Rama Rameti. And there is one more shloka where it says 3 names of Rama is equal to 1 name of Krishna. So this Mahamantra about Krishna and Rama name is there, which is another glories of this Mahamantra. And we have been fortunately benedicted on the order of Brahma to chant this Mahamantra. In fact, lot of in India bhajana mandalis are there. We can request them, you do that, but they can add Hare Krishna Mahamantra. But then when you chant Mahamantra, what is very important, which we ignore. Oh, I'm chanting. See, the pronunciation has to be clear. Many times I hear people chanting, the pronunciation is extremely bad. Hare Krishna Ram, what are you chanting? Stop! What are you chanting? Hare Krishna Ram, Hare Krishna. क्या कर रहे हो? ये बंद करो ये सब. ढंग से जप नहीं कर सकते, है ना? खत्म करने की लगी हुई है. नाम नहीं सुनाई देता. आप उसको रिकॉर्ड करके सुनाओ, लोग हंसेंगे. क्या जप हो रहा है? उसके शब्द क्लियर होने चाहिए. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. है ना? पहले सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट उच्चारण ठीक होना चाहिए और उसमें जो शब्द नहीं खाना चाहिए. सबसे ज़्यादा लोग हरे खा जाते हैं. हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण, हरे राम राम राम. जिस तरह हम अपने खोट नहीं देख सकते, हम अपना जप में गलती नहीं देख सकते, दूसरा बताएगा. लेकिन दूसरा आदमी बताए, आप सुनना होना चाहिए. हरे कृष्ण राम राम हरे कृष्ण राम. एक आदमी था, मेरे को बोलता था, he used to tell me, I finished japa in 1 hour. I said it's not possible. And one day I heard a japa. There is something in the temples they do japa workshop and all, but I don't want to introduce anything that Prabhupada did not do. Did Prabhupada do that? No, I will not do it. Why do something that Prabhupada did not do? The self you can do, no? Correct? Take help. When you're chanting, tell your mother, sister, friend, just record without your knowledge in between. ठीक है? आपको पता नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन क्या होगा? पता होगा ना? हरे कृष्णा नहीं. So somebody can tell us, allow people to tell, if I'm making a mistake in my pronunciation, कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम हरे, 16 शब्द कर रहा है लेकिन वो उच्चारण ठीक नहीं है. हरे की जगह हरे राम, हरे की जगह, ये क्या कर रहा है भाई? Isn't it? First the content should be clear when you're chanting. नहीं मेरा दीक्षा हो गया. क्या दीक्षा? गुरु ने तो हरे कृष्ण मंत्र दिया था, तुम कौन सा मंत्र जप करो? Because if you're chanting the holy name, like yesterday we discussed in the night, like the Narada, there was the effect in it. When he was initiated by the sages, there was effect in Narada. So much effect that his mother died and he did not break down. When a small child, 5-year-old, mother dies in only shelter of the mother and mother dies, he will break down. No, he did not break down. Rather, he took it as some mercy of Krishna. What does Krishna want? I don't know. And not only that, the 2 symptoms we saw of initiation yesterday in Narada's discussion. Number 1 was, he could handle the toughest situation possible in life. Just imagine. People break down. Family में some death occurred. For months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, I was gone to somebody meet in Bombay. So that girl was studying in Bangalore. So she was in Bombay, went to their house. Her grandfather was there. Okay. So very elderly, say he was around 90-year-old. So then what happened, then as we were sitting chit-chatting, I saw old lady's photo. I said, who is she? He started crying. वो रोने लग गया, शुरू हो गया रोना. मैंने देखा नहीं हुआ, ठीक है ना. He broke down after that. He was inconsolable. तो उसको लोग बैठा रहे थे, नहीं वो बस आंसू निकल रहे, एक वो स्मरण आ गया, total खत्म. There was similarly we had many years ago we had a temple. So the lady had two sons, and one son had died, one used to come. So what I did not know that. So the temple was there, and the things are going on, the chit chatting. Then I said, "So you have one son?" No, I have one word. And she started. You see that? Grown-up people are not able to, even Smarana cannot take it. Smarana cannot take it. There was another house I knew, the son had committed suicide. Okay. So about 2-3 years were over, I went to the house and the picture of the son was there. So as I saw the picture and attention goes, so I asked her, do you pray for him sometime? No, he's here only. He's not gone. She could not take the thing that he's no longer there. You see, so they're not able to take. And he's only a child of 5 years. Why he is behaving different? Because there is the effect of initiation. Initiation doesn't mean a mala leli. There is a total transformation in the system. We may be still karmis. What is the use of initiation? Initiation means there is actually transformation effect. True, initiation is the beginning, but beginning of spiritual life. And what is the symptom, beginning of spiritual life? First symptom? Correct? We say, I have been initiated into the chanting the holy name. No, the Diksha ceremony may happen or not have happened. But if you have been blessed and started the spiritual life as given in so many places, now yesterday in Life of Narada, what is the first thing? Material, even the greatest upheaval. Bhagavad Gita also Krishna says, Guru Napi, he will not be disturbed by the greatest upheaval in this world, like for Narada, small child. Only shelter the mother, gone. A snake bit her and she died. She was collecting milk and went, some snake bit her. Chapter over, and still he is thinking some arrangement of the Lord. I don't know what Krishna wants to teach. So our focus is our own spiritual life. You have no business to look into other spiritual life unless you have been given that service. Correct? Your service is your own spiritual life. And now focus on that, your spiritual life. Do this effect come? Do I am becoming, what is the second effect? When Narada Muni was walking, now he left his home, he was now, having been initiated, his desire was to take complete shelter of Krishna. Alone, he thought, okay, this is the will of Krishna now. Just like Srila Prabhupada, when his all business got lost, he said, Krishna wants me to take complete his shelter. Correct? He took it in a positive way. And he started the whole ISKCON movement after that. He did not cry, oh, my business is gone, what do? I sit and cry now. No. What is Krishna's plan? Why Krishna has done like this? So he started walking. And when he was walking, he saw a town. Yesterday discussed in the night. When he saw the town, what happens? The town means, what is the difference between village and town? What is there in the town? They will be nice, say present. At present, somebody goes to village, comes to the city. What do he see? Big malls, big cinema halls, big hoardings, places for drinking, meat eating. He sees many attractive things. So similarly, Narada Muni is walking in those days. He is still seeing some attractive things, but he is not at all distracted. And what is the main thing a village person comes to city? People are very opulent. He also developed desire, can I be rich like them? Because in the village, what? Opulence. Everybody has some cows, some traditional village. Today, like Narada time, what is there? Some cows and some bulls and some agriculture, that's all. When you go to city, we see rathas, we see like today cars, we see so many symptoms of opulence. And people are using some means to acquire that. So why do people from village go to town? For make money also. Only to make money, no? Why do people from India go to Gulf or they go to America? To make money only, no? Economic development is the thing. And you see, a person in a village, suppose he's earning 5,000 per month, in a city he can earn 50,000. Why so many people from Bangalore go to Bangalore? You can earn 5 times, 10 times salary. You go to America, 100 times salary, isn't it? So what is the main principle in a town? Economic development. You can become rich, you can become powerful. And Narad, and so many distractions in it. But Narad Muni is not interested. Prabhupada says that is another symptom of initiation. Now having initiated ourselves into the goal of going back to God at Krishna's lotus feet, we should not be distracted by small things in this world. Correct? कोई क्रिकेट मैच हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या स्कोर है, सम मूवी ये क्या हो रहा है ना, वो नई एक्ट्रेस आई हो, या फॉर गर्ल्स नया हीरो आया है, we are just distracted. Correct? That is a symptom that we are not properly initiated actually. This is not, because Narada Muni, that is the beginning. And he's so intensely, true, he's not ordinary. It is said that he was not even distracted by the plaything. There was some lot of sports children do. He never did that. When the sages are discussing Krishna consciousness, he was hearing, drinking the nectar of that with great patience. And therefore, he was seeing there so much pleasure they are having in discussing Krishna consciousness, he was attracted to them. And the sages can bless anybody. If there is one Narada, why there are not millions of Naradas? Cannot be partial. No. He was extremely gentle. He was extremely silent. He was extremely submissive. He attracted the blessings of the sages. Sages can bless anybody. And they can bless to different degree. Why they gave such a powerful blessing? He became a sage in history. Narada Muni, Prabhupada said they were Bhakti Vedantas, great saints. But they could have created hundreds or millions of Naradas. Why? Because he also deserved that. Generally children mean they will be playful, correct? They will not be attentive. They will not be respectfully listening. No, he was. Whatever the reason. And therefore they blessed him. What is the blessing? They gave him Krishna consciousness, initiated him. And now having been initiated, he showed two symptoms. He could see the greatest, Krishna shows the power. Just like the power of the mantras used to be there. What is the power of the mantras? We see the power of the mantra. They used to, previously, it's not recommended now, they will kill an animal. And by chanting mantra, they'll give back life to him. And maybe give him human birth in front of everybody. Correct? Ashtamedam, Gavalambam is banned in Kali Yuga because this cannot be done any longer. So much power of the mantra. So similarly, if I'm initiated, yes. Let us watch. The greatest calamity occurred, but he did not break down. Definitely pain is there when the mother died. But finally, now let me proceed. What is the lesson Krishna wants me to take? He still didn't lose faith in Krishna. Correct? Properly initiated. Maybe officially initiated. There is no mention of any ceremony that happened for Narada. But principle is correct. He is blessed with the spiritual happiness. And therefore, is one symptom. Even the greatest calamity doesn't affect him. And the second symptom is that no distraction. He is so determined to see Krishna. Therefore, he keeps walking. He sees towns with all the opulence and the glitter. He is not at all distracted. अभी होता है ना, भी मॉल में जाते हैं एक साबुन खरीदने, बाहर आते हैं एक ट्रॉली लेके 50 आइटम खरीद दिए, जो हैं भी एक और खरीद दिया, अरे एक और शर्ट ले लेता हूँ, ये अच्छा कलर लग रहा है, तुम तो साबुन खरीदने गए थे 50 रुपये का और आगे 5000 रुपये का शॉपिंग करके आता है ना. इसलिए मॉल बहुत डेंजरस होती है. वो क्यों रखा है? पहले छोटी छोटी एक लाइन में 50 दुकान होती थी, उसमें शॉपिंग कम होती है और मॉल में शॉपिंग ज़्यादा. वही 50 दुकान को मॉल बनाओ तो शॉपिंग ज़्यादा. उसको तो साबुन खरीदने जाना है ना, लेकिन वो ट्रॉली लेके जाएगा, उसको देखेगा ड्राई फ्रूट, हाँ एक वो पैकेट ले लेता हूँ, आगे जाएगा एक हाँ बच्चे के लिए बैडमिंटन का एक और रैकेट ले लेता हूँ. ठीक है. जनरली लोग नया नया लाते रहते हैं, पुराना फेंकते रहते हैं, बहुत वेस्टेज होता है. Agreed? That is the trigger. Just like a trick होता है क्रेडिट कार्ड का. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग मजा की चीज़ है कि डिस्काउंट क्रेडिट कार्ड में ज़्यादा होता है. जैसे मोबाइल भी आपका पोस्ट पेड में रेट्स अच्छे होते हैं, प्रीपेड में थोड़े रेट ज़्यादा होते हैं. मैं सोचा ये तो लॉजिकल नहीं है ना. मोबाइल में भी मैं तो पैसा पहले दे रहा है ना, तो रेट ज़्यादा क्यों है? बिकॉज जब पोस्ट पेड हो जाता है उसका लिमिट नहीं रहता, वो घंटों बात करता रहता था पहले। आजकल तो अनलिमिटेड है प्रीपेड में भी, पहले ऐसा नहीं था। पोस्टपेड बहुत डेंजरस होता था, बात करी पता नहीं चला, करते चले गए और आ गया 2000 रुपये का बिल। कितने बारी हुआ था उसमें? 2-3 हज़ार रुपये का बिल आता था, बड़ा कष्ट हो जाता था हम लोग। तो सिमिलरली इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज ट्रिकिंग अस टू सो मेनी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. The news also, once I remember I asked one devotee, how do I come out of this attraction to news? So much distraction. Well, I always remember the example of Ravana. Ravan ने क्या किया? He came in front of Sita with the head of Lord Rama. Plastic का बनाया हुआ आजकल. It looks like a real head. And he told Sita, I have killed him in the war. Now you accept me. So the माया का भी business ऐसा होता है. अब दुनिया खत्म हो गई, इंडिया हार गई। अरे एक मैच तो हारी है, इंडिया क्या हार गई, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, लेकिन खत्म हो गया सब कुछ। अब तो इंडिया खत्म हो गई, तो हम क्या हुआ? जैसे सीता कर रही है राम का नाम हरे राम हरे राम हरे राम, राम का नाम जप कर रही है, तो उसको एक कैसे इसको ब्रेक करूं, एक तमाशा मचा रहा, तो सेंसेशनलाइज। जैसे एक बारी मैं ट्रेन में जा रहा था, तो क्या हुआ कि हम सुबह 6 बजे जैसी थोड़ा लाइट आती है, थोड़ा सब लोग सो रहे थे, बहुत पुरानी बात है, उसमें वक्त नहीं था। तो एक आदमी आया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मर गया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मर गया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मर गया। अब लोग सब टेंशन में आ गए, सब उड़ गए, क्या हुआ? प्राइम मिनिस्टर मर गया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मर गया। और सब लोगों ने न्यूज़पेपर खरीदा, कूद के भाग गया, न्यूज़पेपर को खोला, ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं था। आप समझे? प्राइम मिनिस्टर मर गया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मर गया। तो ये न्यूज़ का मतलब यही होता है, ऐसा तमाशा मचाना कि लोग अपना हरिनाम क्या हुआ, आप समझ रहे हैं? तो ये दुनिया ऐसी है। नारद मुनि तो नाम जप करना चाहता है, नारद मुनि कृष्ण का आश्रय लेना चाहता है, और सिटी का जो अट्रैक्शन होता है ना, ये सब एक डिस्ट्रैक्शन है। तो ये न्यूज़ ले लो या दुनिया के इवेंट ले लो, एक्चुअली इसका कुछ वैल्यू है ही नहीं। क्या नहीं है? कोई वैल्यू नहीं। जिस चीज का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, हम उसको वैल्यू देते हैं। वो शोचेत तो मुखचेत इंद्रियार्थम माया सुखाय भरा मधुवत मुमुड़ा। तो माया सुख के लिए लोग पागल हो रहे हैं, है ना? ये दुनिया है। भगवान कसे है ना, नय वो तुझे पर दुरत्य वैतरण्या तद्वीर गायन महा अमृत मग्न चित्ता शोचेत तो मुखचेत स इंद्रियार्था माया सुखाय भर मधुवतो मूढ़ान। सो हम एक्चुअली ऐसी चीज की चिंता करते हैं जो चिंता करने का विषय नहीं है। अशोचान अनवशोचस्तम। एक्चुअली हम तड़प क्यों रहे हैं पता है? हम इस चीज की चिंता कर रहे हैं जो चिंता का विषय नहीं है, इसलिए हम मूर्ख हैं। जैसे सपने में कोई शेर देख रहा और रो रहा है, मूर्ख है, वो चिंता का विषय नहीं है। सांप आ गया, शेर आ गया, उड़ जा तू, सब कुछ नहीं है ना? तो क्योंकि हम स्पिरिचुअली अवेकन नहीं है, तो दुनिया की चीज़ों से हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, है ना? तरह तरह की चिंता आ जाती है। अरे कौन सी पार्टी पावर में है, कौन मिनिस्टर बने, क्यों अपना समय व्यर्थ कर रहे हो तुम नाम जप। वो दुनिया चलती रहेगी, नहीं ऐसा हो जाएगा वैसा हो जाएगा, तुम फिक्र नहीं करो, तुम अपना काम करो। तुमको क्या प्रभुपाद जी ने काम दिया है? देखो क्या होता है, सबसे बड़ा हमारा कर्तव्य होता है गुरु का आदेश, है ना? हमको गुरु ने क्या आदेश दिया है? 16 नाम जप, 16 माला जप करो। हमको गुरु ने क्या आदेश दिया है? हर दिन एटलीस्ट 1 घंटा उनके किताबों को पढ़ो, है ना? हमको गुरु ने क्या आदेश दिया है? प्रसाद को ग्रहण करो। हमको गुरु ने क्या आदेश दिया है? कभी कभी भक्तों को घर में बुलाओ, कीर्तन करो, या खुद मंदिर जाओ, है ना? हमको गुरु ने ये सब आदेश दिए। हमारा लक्ष्य इन चीज़ों में होना चाहिए। पहले अपनी सुरक्षा करो, दूसरा सोचने का तुमको सेवा दिया तो करो, नहीं तो बेमतलब में चिंता करके अपना समय व्यर्थ नहीं करो। हम किस लिए तड़प रहे हैं? हम ऐसी चीज़ों पर ध्यान कर रहे हैं जो हमारे ध्यान करने के लिए जरूरी नहीं। इसलिए हम लोग इन कारणों से दुखी है जिसकी जरूरत नहीं। जैसे रोड में किसी को भी देखोगे, सिर में 50 लाइन होती, बहुत ही टेंशन है ना? भरम उद्वतो विमूढ़ान। प्रहलाद महाराज बोलते हैं, सिर में 1000 किलो लेट लेके घूम रहा है टेंशन से। जो चीज़ जरूरत की है ना, माया सुखाय भरम उद्वतो। एक माया सुख के लिए इतना चिंता लेके बैठा है, मेरे को वो कार जरूर चाहिए, मेरे को वो बाइक जरूर चाहिए, मेरे को वो लड़की जरूर चाहिए, मेरे को वो मोबाइल जरूर चाहिए, मेरे को वो आसन जरूर चाहिए, मेरे को वो पद जरूर चाहिए। इन चीज़ों के लिए आदमी चिंता से मरता रहता है, मरता रहता है, मरता रहता है। करेक्ट नहीं, ये तो दुनिया का लक्षण है। तो ये हमको क्यों हमें समय व्यर्थ कर रहे हैं? आप अपने कर्तव्य का पालन करिए। गुरु ने क्या करता है? ध्यान से हरि नाम का जाप करो, भागवत पढ़ो, ठीक है ना। 100 नाम जप होता है, जरा प्रूव करके दिखाओ कि 16 शब्द जप कर रहे हो, उसी में फंस जाओगे। जो उच्चारण है वो भी ठीक है नहीं है, उसी में फंस जाओगे। उधर ही अगर आपका फाउंडेशन ठीक नहीं है, आगे क्या करोगे, है ना। चेतन महाप्रभु बोलते हैं, भारत भूमि में जन्म हो यार, जन्म सार्थक करी करो, अपना तो सार्थक करो पहले, है ना। तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हम नाम का जब जप करते हैं उच्चारण ठीक होना चाहिए, ठीक है, और पूरे 16 शब्द जप होने चाहिए। उसके बाद कभी कभी को बहुत घमंड आ जाता है, हमको दीक्षा हो गई, लेकिन दीक्षा तो कनिष्ठ अधिकारी को बोलते हैं, शुरुआत है। नेक्टर ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन अगर आप पढ़ेंगे एनालिसिस में, हरिनाम दीक्षा तो कनिष्ठ अधिकारी है। अभी गुरु को स्वीकार किया, हरिनाम को स्वीकार किया, अभी आगे चलो ना, आगे चलो। तो नाम अपराध, नामाभास, शुद्ध नाम। एक्चुअली दीक्षित आदमी को अपराध नहीं करना चाहिए, है ना, नामाभास में आ जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज उसके बाद पवित्र होना शुरू होता है। लेकिन शुरू में नाम अपराध रहते हैं। हर दिन सुबह जप करने से पहले हम 10 अपराधों के नाम लेते करें, है ना। किसी को याद है 10 अपराध? नाम को नाम प्रभु बोलते हैं, नाम भी भगवान ही है ना। उसका जब जप करते हैं या कीर्तन होता है, संकीर्तन, संकीर्तन तो बहुत शक्तिशाली है। उस समय भगवान प्रकट होंगे, तो उस समय जरूर प्रार्थना करनी चाहिए उस शब्द का, उस कीर्तन का, मेरे को आश्रय दो, है ना। भगवान प्रकट है कल में। जब नाम जप भी करते हैं तो आप नाम का आश्रय लीजिए, हाँ? तो 10 नाम के अपराध हैं, इन दोनों से, इनसे हमको धीरे धीरे निकलना है। जब तक नाम का अपराध रहेगा, आपको हृदय में पवित्रता नहीं महसूस होगी, नाम का टेस्ट नहीं आएगा, स्वाद नहीं आएगा। तो स्वाद नहीं आएगा तो नाम जप करना एक कष्ट रहेगा और बड़ा मुश्किल से होगा। या सुबह 4 माला हो गई, अभी 12 बची है, कब करेंगे, चलो यार थोड़ी 2 और कर लेता हूँ, और कि अभी फिर 10 बची है, बड़ा कष्ट हो जाएगा। बिना टेस्ट के एक्चुअली 16 माला करना असंभव हो जाता है। लोग 4-6 माला करके छोड़ देते हैं, मैंने देखा है, इवन दीक्षित लोग, क्योंकि टेस्ट नहीं है। और टेस्ट क्यों चला जाता है? अपराध का दर्द देना। क्यों दर्द दे रहे हो? देखो, सबको भी सुखी नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सबको सुखी कर देंगे, तो अपना कर्तव्य करो, लेकिन इसका ध्यान रखो, यानी मैं सभी को सुखी करूँगा, वो तो असंभव है। मूर्ख लोग भी दुनिया बेमतलब में दुखी हो जाते हैं, अब हम उसके पीछे नहीं पड़ सकते, ठीक है, अपना काम करो, लेकिन कोशिश करना चाहिए कि किसी को दर्द ना दे, पर्टिकुलरली वैष्णव, फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल, ठीक है। ऐसे करके 10 प्रिंसिपल्स हैं हमारे, ठीक है। कभी कभी हम लोग पुण्य कार्यों को भी बहुत वैल्यू देने लग जाते हैं। आप अभी स्पिरिचुअल नहीं हो। एक नाम का जप, एक बारी मंदिर में जाके घंटा बजाना करोड़ों लोगों को खाना खिलाने से ज़्यादा बड़ा है। ये लोग स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन एक्चुअली ये सच है। तो क्योंकि हरि नाम स्पिरिचुअल है, ये जितना भी है ये मेटेरियली तो है ना। इसलिए प्रभुपाद जी जानते थे कि ये मूर्ख लोग इधर मूवमेंट की दिशा ही बदल देंगे, इसलिए नाम में ही लिख दिया इस्कॉन के नाम में उसका लक्ष्य क्या है, इंटरनेशनल सोसाइटी फॉर कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस। इसका लक्ष्य खाली कृष्ण कॉन्शियस, हरि नाम, नाम अमृता, नाम का अमृत को हमको स्वाद करना। तो नाम अमृत को स्वाद करने के लिए शास्त्र में क्या लिखा है, शुश्रूषो श्रद्धानस्य वासुदेव कथा रुचि ही स्यान महत्सेवया विप्रया पुण्यशो तीर्थ निषेवना। ठीक है, महत्सेव्य, भगवान के भक्तों की सेवा, भगवान उससे क्या होता है, महत् सेवा से वासुदेव कथा रुचि ही, आपको स्वाद आना शुरू कह रहे। तो प्रभुपाद जी महान महत है, महान आत्मा है, तो उनकी इच्छाएं उनको पूर्ण करिए, फिर आपको नाम में स्वाद आना शुरू हो। ऐसा नहीं मैं जप कर रहा हूँ, बोल मैं जप कर रहा हूँ, जप कर, लेकिन टेस्ट नहीं है ना, कितने दिन जप करेगा, रुक जाएगा। तो जप आप तभी कर पाओगे जब आपको जप में टेस्ट आएगा, जप में स्वाद आएगा। और जप में स्वाद लाने के लिए आपको महत् सेवा करना तो प्रभुपाद के मूवमेंट का सेवा करिए। प्रभुपाद जी बोलते थे ये पूरा मूवमेंट मेरा शरीर है। तो प्रभुपाद जी का जैसे पैर दबा रहे हो, ठीक है, मंदिर को सफाई कर रहे हो, है ना। अभी आप लोग इतना दूर से आए मंदिर में कुछ सेवा करने, उससे क्या फ़ायदा है? मैं तो घर बैठे नाम जप कर सकता हूँ ना। नहीं, इस सेवा करने से महत सेवा हो रही है, और इस महत सेवा करने से मेरे को जब घर बैठ के नाम जप करूँगा उसमें स्वाद आए। हरे कृष्णा ऐसा लगेगा जैसे अमृत गाना। तो ये आसान नहीं है। नाम जप तो सभी कर लेते हैं, लेकिन कितने लोगों को स्वाद है उसमें, वो ही एक्चुअली 16 माला कर पाएगा। नहीं तो नाम पे बोलेगा, लेकिन हम तो कोई कैमरा नहीं लगा रहे ना, तो नहीं करें। 4, 6, 8, 10, इसलिए मेरे को चिंता रहती है ऑनलाइन में लोगों से, दीक्षा दे दो प्रभु जी, दीक्षा दे दो, नाम बदल जाएगा। वो तो ठीक है, 16 माला करेगा नहीं करे। इसलिए इस्कॉन में नियम है कि 1 साल उसका 16 माला होना चाहिए। तो 1 साल करा है तो शायद कंटिन्यू कर पाएगा, ठीक है। तो दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम वैल्यू करें एंड उसमें स्वाद कैसे प्राप्त करें। तो भगवान के हरि नाम में स्वाद प्राप्त करने के लिए आपको सेवा करना पड़ेगा। सेवा से, जैसे आप कुछ लोग अभी खाना बना रहे हैं आज, है ना, तो उससे क्या होता है, जब जप करने के लिए बैठते हैं स्वाद आता है। बिगड़े की सेवा कर रहे हैं, उससे क्या होता है, जब जप करते हैं उसमें स्वाद आता है, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द सम ग्लोरीज ऑफ द होली नेम। हरे कृष्णा। अहो बतो सुपचो विगरियान यज्जीवाग्रे वर्तते नाम तो। बहुत भाग्यवान है जो लोग हरि का नाम का जाप करें, लेकिन विनती है, अब नाम जब शुरू हो गया, भाग्यवान हो तो कनिष्ठ अधिकारी नहीं रहने का, उत्तम भक्त बनने का, ठीक है। तो उत्तम भक्त बनने के लिए हमको थोड़ा प्रयास करना पड़ता है। हर दिन जब बैठ के जप करते हैं, थोड़ा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं, मैं जप कर रहा है, मैं तो बैक टू गॉड जा रहा है, छोड़ो, मजाक नहीं करो, तुम्हारे परिवार में तो कुछ ही नहीं रहा, थोड़ा ध्यान से जप करो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। तो बिगिनिंग स्टेज में थोड़ा स्पीड करने का कोशिश नहीं करो, सब कुछ विफल हो जाता है, ठीक है। शुरू में थोड़ा, जब तक नाम पकड़ता नहीं है, मुंह दिमाग में पकड़ता, थोड़ा स्लो करना बेटर रहता है। फिर जब ढंग से पकड़ लिया तो स्पीड करो, और दूसरों को हमेशा बोल के रखो, अगर मेरा उच्चारण में या शब्द कुछ खा रहा हूँ तो पता नहीं, तो आपको फिर करेक्ट लोग करते रहते हैं। कभी कभी लोग इतना तक करते हैं, अपने सामने महामंत्र का चीटी देख के करते हैं, क्योंकि मन इतना बुद्धू है ना। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे बोलते तो वो महामंत्र, लेकिन कुछ और चल रहा है, तो देख के करने में कभी कभी गलती होता है। तरह तरह से अपनाइए तरीके, ठीक है। हरे कृष्णा। So anybody wants to add something, how you chant properly, the glories of the holy name, कुछ glories of the holy name you want to add? Hare Krishna. हरे कृष्णा। नटवर, हरि नाम का कुछ महिमा मैं छूट गया, बताना चाहते हो?
नहीं प्रभु जी, आप सब कुछ बताएं प्रभु। मैं खुद प्रयास कर रहा हूँ कि कैसे मैं अपने हरि नाम को शुद्ध कर सकूं, जैसा हो।
हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा। Yes, Gunashi Mataji, you want to say something? Glories of the holy name.
Prabhuji, I just remember this story of Sanatan Goswami, which you mentioned about a few classes before, like, the same thing, like where a man, he had a paras money, and which he person wanted to, he wanted the paras money, and he took the paras money and made a lot of money out of it and all, but still he was not happy, and he was wondering why Sanatan Goswami is happy and why did he throw it in the paras money in the garbage. And then he goes again back to Sanatan Goswami and then asks, what do you have more precious than this paras money, which is making you or keeping you happy? And then Sanatan Goswami reveals the Hare Krishna mantra to him. So
Beautiful.
That is what I remember, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Hare Krishna. So, it does not matter whether somebody is a brahmachari or somebody is a grahastha, vanaprastha, somebody is a man or a woman. What it matters is the quality of the japa. So it may be, you may say, brahmachari is very comfortable with alone, Well, what is the quality? If I am a grahastha and I can chant better because spiritual advancement is coming by japa, by seva. If he can chant better, then he's better than brahmachari. How does it matter? External, internal, correct? So these are not important. Kiba vipra kiba shnashi shuddha kenanaya hey Krishna tattva veda say guru. So there is no obstacle. Krishna says also in Bhagavad Gita, Mami partha papashita tepi shu papa yonaya shriya vesha tata shuddha tepi adi marandati. So it does not matter. This is so wonderful. A child can also nicely chant, a woman can also nicely chant, and hunter can also nicely chant. Anybody can chant the holy name of the Lord, and there will be total transformation. But he should try his best to chant it. And that's where the challenge is. Being a brahmachari, being a grahastha and all, okay, some situation may make it very comfortable. Like brahmachari has no anxieties for his maintenance. He has some platform, but he should be very peacefully chant the holy name. Okay. So whatever situation you have, take full advantage of that to nicely chant the holy name. That is where the secret of success lies. Okay. ठीक है, we have finished our time now. विपिन विलास जी, आप कुछ हरि नाम का कोई महिमा है, कोई स्टोरी है जो मैं मिस नहीं कर गया?
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु, दंडवत प्रणाम। हरि नाम एक्चुअली वो हरि नाम की महिमा वही है कि जो कितना भी सिंपल आदमी है, अगर वो लॉर्ड को सरेंडर करेगा तो ही विल बी। बट जो सपोज उसका जो सिंफुल रिएक्शन जो बट इवन जो ऑफेंडर करेगा तो हरि नाम से बच सकेगा, परंतु जो हरि नाम का जो ऑफेंडिंग करेगा, जो 10 ऑफेंसेस जो है, तो उसको नो वन कैन बी। तो हरि नाम का महिमा इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है।
वेरी गुड। सो द पॉइंट इज दैट एक आदमी बोला कि भाई मैं इतना पापी हूँ कि मेरे में हरि नाम कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा, लेकिन इतने पाप तुम कर नहीं सकते जितना हरि नाम तोड़ देता है। एक उच्चारण हरि नाम का आपको वैकुंठ धाम ले जाता था, एक उच्चारण। इट्स नॉट कि 1000 बारी करने की जरूरत है, एक बारी भी कर सकता है। ठीक है, तो हमको पूरा फायदा उठाना चाहिए। नटवर चलते हैं, अभी टाइम हो गया। ठीक है, वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिंधु एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। अभी देखो, ये बताओ, ये इस तरह क्लास अच्छा लग रहा है? भगवान का भी दर्शन। एक बारी बड़ी एम्बैरेसिंग चीज़ है, गुरु महाराज मेरी क्लास देखी, ठीक है, मेरे को बड़ी शर्म लगी, और उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे को कॉल किया, आई सॉ योर क्लास वेरी नाइस बट व्हाई द डीटीज आर नॉट विजिबल। तो मेरे को आज आया, मैंने कहा यार कुछ इम्प्रूव करो, तो लोग हमारा दर्शन करके क्या करेंगे, ये तो हार्ड मास का दर्शन, एटलीस्ट भगवान का दर्शन मिलेगा तो कुछ फ़ायदा मिलेगा ना। क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं तो भगवान को भी देख रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ फ़ायदा मिलता रहेगा, है ना। हमको देख के क्या फ़ायदा ना हार्ड मास का। ठीक है, तो लिटिल हमारा कैमरा थोड़ा एक लिमिटेड क्वालिटी का है, फोकस उतना अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है, बट आई होप दिस इज़ गुड। सो हाथ खड़ा करो जिसको ये चीज़ अच्छा लगा कि भगवान का दर्शन रहा क्लास में। यू फील गुड इनफ, यू फील नाइस, ठीक है, सो गुड, है ना। हमारा दर्शन करके क्या फ़ायदा, भगवान का दर्शन करेगा तो फ़ायदा मिलेगा। हरे कृष्णा, ठीक है, सो इट इज़ पास्ट। हरे कृष्णा, अरे किधर गया, आनंद विलास निकल गया। ठीक है, चलो हम बंद करते हैं अभी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा, ठीक है। हरे कृष्णा एवरीबॉडी।
हरे
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
प्रणाम प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, धन्यवाद प्रणाम। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द डे।
अब खाली 90 दिन बचे हैं, बस खाली 90 दिन बचे हैं मंदिर का। आप सब लोग टिकट बुक कर लो, टिकट नहीं मिलेंगे, टिकट बाद में कैंसिल कर सकते हो, बट टिकट नहीं मिलेंगे। अब क्या है, तो अभी इतना जल्दी ये बाद में सोचेंगे, अरे सोच बाद में लेना, टिकट ले लो अभी। टिकट कैंसिल 100 रुपये जाएगा ट्रेन टिकट का, है ना। अब सोचते सोचते रहो, फिर टिकट नहीं मिलेंगे, फिर आ नहीं पाओगे, बोलेगे प्रभु जी फ्लाइट टिकट तो 25,000 खर्च हो रहा है, मुश्किल होता है। और ठीक है, अभी आप टिकट बुक कर लो अर्जेंटली, सब लोग जिसने नहीं किया है। ठीक है, हरे कृष्णा। अभी 400 लोग करीब रजिस्टर भी कर चुके हैं, पता नहीं कितना।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, हरे कृष्णा।
विशाखापट्टनम से बहुत लंबा रास्ता है प्रभु जी, ट्रेन में 36 आवर, मोर देन 36 आवर। हमारा यहाँ से जाने के लिए स्टेशन 1.5 आवर है। अगेन
फ्लाइट में आ जाओ।
फ्लाइट में
3 महीना थोड़ा सेविंग करो, हर दिन 50 रुपये सेव करो, 3 महीने में हो जाएगा।
खाने का तो खैर बहुत मन है। मैं बिना अभी मायापुर से भी होके आई, 15 डेज में बीमार रही, बट बहुत अच्छा लगा। फर्स्ट टाइम आई वेंट टू मायापुर, मीन्स वी वेंट एंड ये भी जाने का बहुत मन है, बट मैं सोच नहीं पा रही कैसे जाऊं। मुझे यहाँ से कोई कंपनी मिलने से आई कैन थिंक।
ठीक है भाई, विशाखापट्टनम का ग्रुप बना लो, मिल जाएंगे बहुत सारे लोग। वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो